Hello traders, Alla at 1:50 EST on May 8th. 10 minutes before Trump's announcement, before deal with Iran, we should have extreme volatility on S&P and especially oil. So once again, as we always do before major event, let's take a look on Fibonacci. As we know, Fibonacci will override any news, any major event as market preset by Fibonacci levels. This is Fibonacci levels that have been present in the trading room since last week. This was trend inception, and this is where bullish rally been taking a massive pause at crucial Fibonacci resistance. As we will recap next, also crucial institutional resistance. We discussed since Monday morning that this is not the place to buy, that this is a place to monitor for short. We discussed since Monday morning that if price retraces to this support, this is where you're monitoring for long. This already played out this morning. Bullish trade recorded on prior video, as you saw students and traders posting in the trading room, sharing their results, reached reversal zone. What else is extremely crucial before the news? Again, bias firmly at support bullish, bias firmly at resistance bearish. This bearish resistance will be the most exciting place to be if we see serious selling pressure. This is a resistance present in the room since last year. This is a resistance where market collapsed from twice in April. From this resistance to reversal zone. From this resistance to reversal zone. We're sitting here third day in a row. Market doing nothing. If price is skyrocketing to this level, extreme caution. If price is breaking through this level and continues higher, it is not ideal conditions for day trader, as we will be dealing with overextended bullish rally. So, bearish news, no deal with Iran will be a beautiful thing for day trader to see market collapse just like it did week before. If it's a bullish news and price starts skyrocketing, market conditions will become extremely challenging for day trader because institutional resistance right in front of you. So, caution traders, we're not far off from institutional resistance, but you as a day trader who knows every single tick matters, knows extremely well. Bias at support remains firmly bullish, as identified since Monday morning. So here's a chart on oils that have been present in the trading room since second week in April. Price reminded you, no matter what the news is, Fibonacci reversal zone is present, bias is bullish. Last week we had a horrific bearish news on oil. As you can pull up on YouTube channel, bias was firmly bullish. So this is where our bias remains firmly bullish. This is a reversal zone identified 3 weeks in advance. This is a chart we will convert to 1-minute chart on oil, so you can see instantly the importance of playing by the rules and the importance of monitoring for bullish rally at support and for selling pressure from resistance. If oil will skyrocket to this area, this is where our bias will remain firmly bearish. So, caution traders, major news in 6 minutes, converting both charts on S&P and oil to 1-minute chart, so you can witness the accuracy of the method in live markets instantly. And that's what played out before. Fibonacci reversal, ultimate support present since third week in April. Here we are, first week in May, respected by a tick on 1-minute chart. So if this would be first support on oil, decision point 1 is very important. However, Lower price collapses, better off market will be. At support, bias is bullish. At resistance, bias is bearish. Major announcement in a couple of minutes. News release is not out yet, however, oil collapsed until this Fibonacci support present in the room since April. Ultimate reminder, no matter what the news is, never ever 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 short near Fibonacci support. So as we're still waiting for Trump's arrival, this is a reminder of Fibonacci support as oil rallying. Everyone seeing this? Announcement did not happen yet, but oil rallied from Fibonacci support present in the room for weeks. Ultimate reminder, if you know where Fibonacci levels are, it doesn't matter if you trade 1 minute chart, it doesn't matter if you trade daily, weekly, hourly. Rules are met, take a trade. And that's the core of the course. Oil rallied already more than 100 points. Trump speaking now. Now let's pay attention to S&P. As this announcement as Iran getting nuclear weapon would only endanger survival of Iranian regime is the announcement that just came through the news. Here we go, traders. Your announcement finally came out. US will withdraw from Iranian nuclear agreement. So here we go. Crucial support on S&P. It's quite a horrific news for US. It's quite a horrific news so seen by the media in US. Shorts into this level this entire morning and since Friday evening did not work. This is where long trade from prior this morning reached Fibonacci target. Price continue respecting this support. Market not crashing and oil continue rallying. Identical Fibonacci support in front of you on S&P as exact same support where oil rallied from. Level present in front of you since third week in April. Oil up already 200 points. Identical strategy, identical level. Price reminding you once again. If you know the rules, if you apply Fibonacci levels taught in the course, all you have to do is identify, do you want to trade oil or do you want to trade S&P? Choice is yours. And again, these are the levels present in the room since mid-April. And this is where oil rallied from, and this is where oil struggling after the announcement. So price reminding you buy at support, never into resistance. End of minor trend on oil, end of minor trend on S&P. Will S&P skyrocket once again just like it did this morning? Highly possible. Fibonacci support respected, just like on oil. Please pay attention to this chart. Identical strategy, identical level. What you will choose to trade, absolutely up to you. Is it oil, is it S&P, is it pound, is it euro? Choice is yours. Market rallying as expected. Fibonacci support respected. So here we go. Here's the result from Phil on oil. As Phil taking advantage of oil from Fibonacci support. So identical thing that happened this morning happening right now. Market rallying as expected from Fibonacci support present in the room since early Monday morning. So, if you know the rules, the sky's the limit. Ladies and gentlemen, look forward to seeing you in the class. So please, when you come to the website, click on Learn, Review all the information on the website, and if you would like to join us in group course, all you have to do is sign up online. All group classes are live. Private mentoring includes all group classes. If you're considering private mentoring, pretty please call me or email me first. Another flawless Fibonacci morning. S&P will struggle at this resistance. Please remember, it's not just day trading resistance, it's institutional resistance. Let's hope and we will come back tomorrow morning. Price will sell off from this resistance, where it's been stuck for the last 3 weeks, present in front of you since last year. So, this morning you witnessed once again, Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool in the market. Doesn't matter what you trade, doesn't matter if it's S&P, doesn't matter if it's oil, doesn't matter if it's Apple, as we've done in analysis this morning. So have a joy-filled afternoon. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Trading room will reopen tomorrow morning at 9:30 EST. As oil collapsing from reversal zone, ultimate Fibonacci resistance. Look at that. 100 ticks already. Again, level present in the room since 3rd week in April. Look on the accuracy on 1-minute chart. Mark is this flawless Fibonacci puzzle. Never underestimate Fibonacci and ever pull a trigger randomly. Never forget this graph on oil. Very powerful reminder. Knowledge is power. Buy at support, exit at resistance. Bullish rally on oil for 200 points, reached Fibonacci resistance, identified weeks in advance, and price collapsed. No surprise. For 150 ticks. Have a joyful afternoon. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thank you, traders. As right now, market will become fun on S&P. If you know what to do, the sky's the limit. Volatility is back. Expect very interesting day tomorrow morning. Thank you, traders.